gang, hope you guys are doing fantastic today. Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful sunny day here in St. Augustine. We always say it's like living in a postcard. Specifically, where are we at today? We're at Reverie. Now, you remember that state of mind, right? Lost in one's thoughts? Reverie at Trailmark, and we're at their model center. We're going to take a look at the Edison. Cool little home, moderate in size, but oh my gosh, the upgrades in here, the beautifulness of it. Let's go take a peek. All right, gang, the Edison. The Edison is 1,812 square feet, and this is the arts and crafts elevation. What a cool house. Like I said, it's about 1,812 square feet under air, plus you got your two-car garage, of course. But it's moderate in size. It's a two-bedroom with a flex that can be optioned up to a three-bedroom. I think I would keep it as a two-bedroom with a flex, and I'll show you why here in a minute. Beautiful home. Look at the way they have this decorated. Again, some of this stuff you can't, Dreamfinders doesn't do like the woodwork here, but I love the angles. I love that geometric there. But optional tray ceilings here in the Edison. They got the linear tile floor that it draws you in. Pretty crazy cool. So Sharon and I appreciate you guys. Always honored to give you great information. So we're going to take a left off the front hallway, which they have that tall glass door right there. Look at all the light that comes in. It's beautiful. Big linen closet. That's a double door linen closet with ball latch doors on it. So plenty of storage room. Pretty crazy cool. 8-foot doors. Okay. Come on over here. 10-foot ceilings here in the Edison. Look at that. And that's got this front bedroom has a walk-in closet. Pretty decent size too. Good sized bedroom and a good sized closet for a secondary bedroom. Pretty amazing. They have the automatic switches around. Nice. Oh my gosh. You haven't seen the best yet. This is standard stuff here, bedrooms and baths, right? Although they have this appointed very well. They have the subway tile, the white subway tile. Nice upgraded square undermounts with quartz countertops and a metal tub. Okay, very nice, very nice. But like I said, I'm excited to show you what's here in the gathering space. This is amazing. Look at this. This is an 1,812 square foot home, and they have used the space really well. Nice upgraded kitchen. Normally it would be a slide-in stove and all. This has got the oven and the microwave, and then of course the cooktop. And Reverie in Trailmark here is, of course, a natural gas community. So I love that tile. Check that tile out. And that's one thing we're seeing more and more of on tile work. This has got to be a level 3, 4 quartz right there. It's a guess, but it's pretty good. Nice little Kohler farm sink. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Over here we have the entrance to the garage. Pretty standard stuff there, nothing crazy, but they have this optioned up with some cabinets and a nice little desk area. You could do cabinetry right there, base cabinetry, and a decent sized pantry for sure. I love the automatic light switches they have. But they also have, this has the optional refrigerator set up over here for the wine cooler, okay? All under cabinet lighting, wine racks. So nice, so nice. But before we get to the back of the house, let me take you this way here in the Edison. That's goes to your air handler closet. Decent sized laundry room too. They have some cabinetry here, some little place to set things, some storage drawers. Pretty dang nice. Okay. I want to show you my favorite. We're going to save my favorite part for later. Let's go out in the living room. You'll get a little sneak peek if you take a look over there, but we're not going to go out there yet. I'm going to show you the coffered ceiling. Wow, they don't do the wood, of course, but you can do that, anything in there, but they do the coffer, which is a tray with the bars running through it. Check that view of the kitchen out. This, I'm telling you, the models here at Reverie at Trailmark are crazy cool. They have done an outstanding job decorating these up. And the master sets back. What I like this too. I don't like where the door for our master bedroom is directly off the living room. This one sets back a little bit, kind of gives you a slight little vestibule, I'll say. So that's always nice. Nice tray ceiling. They've done something interesting. I don't know if that's a wall board or some sort of wallpaper up there, but it gives that ceiling a nice texture because this has got orange peeled walls in it. but it gives it a different, and they used the ceiling material in the living room and brought it in here and then did something different in this tray. So nice combination stuff going on. Now here we have the master. This has got the optional tub setup. It's a pretty standard vanity setup there. This has got, in the standard setup, this is a larger shower with like a linen closet setup. So this has been optioned up with the tub. Let me close this so you can see it. There you go. Pretty dang nice. Coming in here to our master closet, and it's a pretty good size for an 1,800 square foot home. Decent sized closet, goes around that way. Does it wrap around? Oh yeah, look at that. Wraps around the whole door. Okay, then our toilet room right here. Okay. So pretty dang nice. Let's go look at the backyard. You're going to be amazed at this flex room over here. Now this could be optioned up as a third bedroom, but I'm going to stand back. It can have the barn doors like they have it here, or it can be like the standard French doors for the flex, or it can be optioned up, like I said, as a bedroom. They have the barn doors, but look what they have. Those are sliding glass doors that meet in the center there, meet in the corner. I'm going to open them up in just a moment and let you guys take a peek at them. All right, gang. This setup on the appropriate lot, oh my gosh. I hope you'll agree. This, like I said, for an 1,812 square foot home, this has got a lot. This has got a boatload of personality. Look at this. This has got the extended lanai too, because this is, the lanai would actually stop even with the flex room. So this has been brought out some. So you have on this one, you have an extended lanai as well. So look at this. Can you imagine sitting out here entertaining, looking at the water like we have here with they got a fire pit sitting in this one. Pretty amazing. All right, gang, that's the Edison here at Reverie and Trailmark. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a shout out if we could help you guys. And I'm getting ready to head to the next one, so we'll see you over there.